Today, let's deep dive into healing through art and self discovery. Hi everyone, my name is Sana, and today I'll delve into the profound impact of childhood trauma and ancestral wounds on our emotional well being. I realize that experiences of our past, including those of our mothers, can shape our happiness and sadness in profound ways. But first, let's know what is trauma. Trauma is a psychological response to a deeply distressing or disturbing event that overwhelms an individual's ability to cope. Trauma can really mess in our heads, making it hard to think clearly and to be fully present in the moment. It can make us feel like we are not in control of our lives and what's gonna happen. Expressing how we feel about what we've been through become tough when trauma hits, as it can shut down our ability to put those feelings into words. And then art steps in as a powerful way to express ourselves when words fail us. It works its magic by helping us release those deep-seated emotions without needing to rely on languages. Today I'm painting my secret garden. I envision a door with flowers spilling out, inviting me to enter and leave behind the worries of life and painful memories from the past. Research in the field of epigenetics has shown that the trauma can leave a lasting impact on our genes. Studies have found that traumatic experiences can alter gene expressions, leading to changes in how our bodies and minds respond to stress. Engaging yourself into art activities or art therapy has been shown to have profound effect on healing trauma. Through creative expressions, individuals can access and process emotions that may be difficult to articulate verbally. Art has the ability to activate different parts of the brain, promoting emotional regulation and provide a sense of control over one's experiences. On the other hand, I was curious to know how many different types of traumas can individual experience. So some common types are acute trauma. This type of trauma occurs as a result of a single distressing event such as car accident, natural disasters, or assault. The second one was chronic trauma. Chronic traumas refer to repeated exposure of distressing event over a prolonged period of time, such as ongoing abuse, neglect, or living in a war zone. Complex trauma involve exposure to multiple traumatic experiences, often beginning in childhood and continuing into the adulthood. This type of trauma can result from experiences like childhood abuse, domestic violence, or human trafficking. Developmental trauma occurs during crucial period of growth and development, such as in childhood and adolescence. It can have a significant impact on a person's emotional and psychological development. Secondary trauma. Secondary trauma occurs when individuals are exposed to traumatic event indirectly, such as through hearing about or witnessing trauma's experiences by others. This can affect professionals like first responders, healthcare workers, and therapists. Each type of traumas can have a unique impact on the individual's mental and emotional well-being, and understanding the specific nature of the traumas is crucial in providing effective support and treatment. Furthermore, any art activity, art therapy has linked to decreased level of stress hormones and increased production of feel-good neurotransmitters such as endorphin and dopamine. This can help you elevate symptoms of trauma and promote a sense of well-being and empowerment. By incorporating art into healing practices, individuals can effectively address intergenerational trauma, break the cycle of suffering, and cultivate resilience for yourself and future generations. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Do comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.